Hello guys, today we're gonna do a new unboxing video. Today we're today we're unboxing the In the Night Garden 6 character gift pack. Now, this is perfect for little hands. It has 3 Tumblr figurines. It's an all new collection and it's 18 months plus. Now, wait, I forgot the price. So this thing costs roughly like 15 quid. So let's open it up. So it comes with this plastic thing, and wait, let me open it. Okay, so the first figure we'll be reviewing is the red and green Tumblr. He looks like he wants to give you a high five, and he looks very happy. They're quite heavy actually. Yeah, so that's the first one. The second one is the pink and yellow Tumblr. Wait, let me get it out. Yeah, so here's the pink and yellow Tumblr. It also looks very happy. Yeah, it looks like it wants to, like, it's T-posing or something. The third Tumblr is the almighty brown and pink one. It looks like it's praising the Lord or giving a hug. It's preaching to its brothers. The next one is my favorite character from the show, and it's Makapaka. Wait, now he is a beautiful lad. Oh, yes. Look at him. Look at him. He is amazing. The quality of these figures is really good. But as you can see here, every child wants that watermark on their toys. Wait, let it focus. Like, my camera's dumb, it's not focusing. It says here, like, CE and stuff. Made in China, like every other toy in existence. Okay, up next is the main man himself, Igglepiggle. He comes with his blanket. He looks like he just farted. And yeah. And now it's time for Upsy Daisy. I believe it's the I'm pretty sure there's only a few girls in the show, that being some of the Pointy Pines and Upsy Daisy. Oh, she's really hard to open because her hair is in the box. I did it, boys. I opened her. She has colorful hair. So yeah. So I think that these are pretty good. I mean, yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to see me open more kids' toys or do anything, then like, maybe subscribe. Yeah, adios.